Welcome to Reagan's cooking show. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to eat an orange correctly. So first, grab an orange and peel it. And then when you get the skin off, you put it in the bowl. You have to put it in the bowl. And then, I'm gonna try and peel it. Hold on. There, I just finished peeling the orange. Now you gotta grab the skin, all the skins, and put them in there. Put them in the bowl. And then, you just have to take the orange and put it in there. And then, you have to get something. You just have to get something from the pantry. Like, you have to get some, maybe some gum. And then you just grab your gum, any kind of flavor, and then you just bring it over to the bowl. And then you open it. Hold on. Now, as you can see, I already opened it. Now all you need to do is just open it and grab one piece of gum. Looks very yummy. Put it in the bowl, and then you just have to grab some water. So as you can see right here, I'm grabbing the bowl, and you have to get some water. Turn on the tap and some water. There, looks very delicious. Now you have to touch it. No, I'm not going to touch it. Anyway, now, and then you just have to go over to the fridge and take some apple juice. Take some apple juice. There. Now, let me open the apple juice. Now you just have to pour it in here gently. Just have to pour half of it in there. There, that's perfect. You just need to put it back in the fridge. Hold on, I need to go put it back in the fridge. Now, all you have to do is go over to the snack drawer, open this, and you see here there's a lot of things. And you just have to just grab this. We only need to put one. Just grab one. Put it in here, and then put it back. Close it. And hold on, I'll be right back. You can see here, there's one cracker, some orange peels, and 2 oranges, and 1 piece of gum, and some apple juice, and some water. Okay, now, the next step is to get a spoon. Get a spoon from here. Get a tiny metal one. Get this spoon. And then put it right here. And then what you have to do is you have to put the spoon and crush the cookie. Crush the cookie. And then mix all this up. Delicious. And there you go, folks. That's how to eat an orange. Smells so good. Wait, I need a straw to eat this. I need a straw to eat this. This. straw. And then put this straw in here. And there you go. It's how to eat an orange.